Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to edit faster in Fortnite. Editing quickly in Fortnite is essential for building faster, outplaying opponents, and maintaining an edge in competitive gameplay. Here are some step-by-step tips to improve your editing speed. 1. Optimize your settings. Lower edit sensitivity. Reducing edit sensitivity makes your movements more precise, especially on a controller. Experiment with sensitivity and settings to find balance between speed and control. Bind easy-to-reach edit key. For PC, use key that feels natural, like E or F, or a mouse button. On controllers, assign the edit action to a trigger or a button that allows seamless access. 2. Practice in creative mode. Use editing courses. Start with simple edit snaps like Mongraw Edit course or Raider 464 Edit practice map. Gradually progress to more challenging scenarios to improve speed and accuracy. Challenge yourself to complete a course within a specific time frame to push your limits. Spend from 10 to 15 minutes in creative mode practicing edits like wall edits, ramp, flips, and box edits to get your reflexes sharp. And finally, what I suggest is to improve your muscle memory. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.